Transforming your hallway can increase your home's value by up to 10%. Yes, you heard that right. This often neglected space holds untapped potential that can significantly boost your property's appeal and market value. This might come as a surprise. Most homeowners focus on living rooms, kitchens, and bedrooms, but hallways are equally important. We often overlook our hallways. They are usually seen as mere passageways, spaces we pass through without a second thought. We see them as mere passageways, but what if we started to see them differently? What if we recognized their potential to transform the feel of our entire home? But think about their importance. Hallways are the first impression guests get as they move through your home. They can set the tone for the rest of the house. They are the arteries of our homes, connecting spaces and guiding traffic flow. Imagine them as the veins that bring life to every room, ensuring a seamless transition from one space to another. In essence, they set the stage for the entire home experience. Let's rethink the hallway. Instead of a forgotten space, let's make it a focal point. Let's elevate it from a forgotten space to a captivating design element. With the right decor, lighting, and personal touches, a hallway can become a statement piece. Have you ever noticed how a well-designed hallway can make you feel? It can evoke emotions, create a sense of warmth, and even inspire creativity. It's like a warm embrace as you step inside. The right lighting can make a hallway feel cozy and inviting, turning it into a welcoming entrance. It sets the tone and offers a glimpse into the personality of your home. Personal touches like family photos or unique artwork can make it truly yours. A thoughtfully designed hallway doesn't just enhance aesthetics, it can also improve functionality, making your home more organized and efficient. It creates a sense of flow and welcomes you in. So next time you walk through your hallway, think about how you can transform it into a space that truly reflects the heart of your home. Hallways are the first thing guests see. They set the tone for the rest of your home, creating an immediate impression of your style and personality. A well-designed hallway can make your guests feel welcomed and intrigued, eager to see more of your space. They are also the first thing you see when you come home. After a long day, walking into a beautiful, organized hallway can instantly lift your spirits and make you feel glad to be home. It's your personal welcome mat, a space that should reflect comfort and warmth. This makes them prime real estate for making a strong first impression. A stylish hallway can set the stage for the rest of your home, hinting at the decor and ambiance that lies beyond. It's a sneak peek into your personal style and taste. But how do we transform these often narrow, overlooked spaces? Hallways can be tricky due to their size and shape, but with a bit of creativity, they can become one of the most charming areas of your home. The key is to approach them with the same care and attention as any other room. Think about the function and flow of the space. What do you need for your hallway? Storage, display, or simply a beautiful passage? Plan accordingly. Think of them as an extension of your living space. Start by decluttering. Remove any unnecessary items that make the space feel cramped and chaotic. A clean slate will help you see the potential of your hallway. A clutter-free hallway feels instantly larger and more inviting. Next, consider the walls. They are a blank canvas waiting to be transformed. Are they bare and uninspired? This is your chance to add personality and style. A fresh coat of paint can work wonders. It can brighten up the space, make it feel more open, and set the tone for the rest of your home. Choose a color that complements the rest of your home. Whether you go for a bold statement color or a soft neutral shade, make sure it ties in with your overall decor. Consider adding wainscoting or molding for architectural interest. These details can add depth and character to your hallway, making it feel more polished and complete. With a bit of effort, your hallway can become a beautiful, welcoming space that sets the tone for your entire home. Paint is a powerful tool in design. It has the ability to transform a space completely. For hallways, it's an opportunity to be bold. Don't be afraid to experiment with color. A rich, saturated hue can create a sense of drama and intimacy. A light, airy color can make the space feel larger and more open. Lighting is equally important. Natural light is ideal, but most hallways lack this. So we get creative with artificial lighting. A striking pendant light can become a focal point. Recessed lighting can provide overall illumination. And don't forget the power of sconces. They add a touch of elegance and create a warm, inviting glow. The The right flooring can make or break a hallway. If you're stuck with unattractive flooring, a runner or rug is your secret weapon. Not only do they cover imperfections, but they also add warmth, texture, and visual interest. Choose a runner that complements your decor. A bold geometric pattern can add a modern touch. A vintage rug can bring in warmth and character. And a natural fiber rug like jute or sisal adds a touch of organic texture. Section 5, personal touch curated gallery walls. Hallways are perfect for showcasing your personality. And I mean, what better way to do this than with a gallery wall? A curated collection of art and photographs tells your story and adds a touch of your unique style. Start by gathering your favorite pieces. Don't be afraid to mix and match different frames, sizes, and mediums. The key is to create a cohesive look that feels personal and curated. Arrange the pieces on the floor before hanging. This helps you visualize the layout and make adjustments. Section 6. The Power of 3. A unified color palette. A cohesive color palette is essential for any well-designed space, and hallways are no exception. Sticking to a limited color palette creates a sense of harmony and flow. A simple rule of thumb is to use a 3-color palette. Choose one neutral color for the walls. This could be white, cream, gray, or even a light blue. Then select a bolder accent color for accessories. This could be a vibrant hue like teal or emerald green, or a more muted tone like blush or navy. Finally, incorporate a metallic accent such as gold, silver, or brass to add a touch of glamour. Section 7. Breathing life plants as design elements. Plants are a wonderful addition to any space, and hallways are no exception. Not only do they add a touch of life and color, but they also improve air quality. Choose plants that thrive in low-light conditions, as most hallways don't get a lot of natural light. Snake plants, ZZ plants, and peace lilies are all great options. Consider adding a tall, leafy plant to a corner to create a sense of height, or place a few smaller plants on a console table or shelf to add a touch of greenery. Section 8. Small details, big impact, affordable upgrades. Sometimes it's the smallest details that make the biggest impact, and the good news is that these details don't have to break the bank. Consider swapping out your old doorknobs for something more modern and stylish. Add a stylish mirror to reflect light and create the illusion of more space. Update your light switch plates and outlet covers. These small but noticeable upgrades can make a surprising difference. Section 9. The grand reveal, a hallway that wows. Your hallway is no longer just a passageway, it's a canvas waiting to be transformed into a masterpiece that reflects your unique taste and personality. Imagine walking through a space that not only connects rooms, but also tells a story about who you are. It's a stylish and inviting space that makes a statement about your personal style. Whether you prefer a minimalist look with clean lines and neutral colors, or a more eclectic approach with bold patterns and vibrant hues, your hallway can be a true reflection of your aesthetic. It's a warm embrace as you step inside your home. The hallway is the first impression your home makes, and it should be a welcoming one. Think about adding elements like soft lighting, cozy rugs, and personal touches such as family photos or artwork to create a space that feels inviting and warm. And it's a space that you can be proud to share with guests. Imagine the delight on their faces as they walk through a beautiful designed hallway that showcases creativity and attention to detail. It's not just a passive act, it's a conversation starter. Remember, transforming your hallway doesn't have to be a daunting task. With a few simple changes, you can make it do that. Start with a fresh coat of paint to brighten the space. Add some stylish storage solutions to keep things organized and cluttered. By incorporating these simple yet effective tips, you can create a hallway that is both stylish and functional. Consider using multi-purpose furniture like a bench with storage or a console table with drawers. These pieces not only look great but also provide practical solutions for everyday living. A well-designed hallway sets the tone for the rest of your home. It's the first thing you see when you walk in and the last thing you see. Make it count by choosing a cohesive design that flows seamlessly into the other rooms. Use colors, textures, and materials that complement the overall aesthetic of your home. Start exploring your personal style and transform your hallway into a design element that truly wows. Don't be afraid to experiment with different looks until you find the one that fits your an opportunity to make a lasting impression.